Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the only practical tool for live wallpapers, Lively. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and 64-bit. This prevents driver and compatibility issues. Once done, install Lively from the Microsoft Store or run the installer you downloaded and accept required permissions. During install, allow media and file access and let it run at startup. This initial setup ensures Lively can decode video and animated formats. Now you're ready to add your first live wallpaper. Open Lively and press the plus button to add content. You can import an MP4, GIF, WebM, a folder of media, or point to a web page that runs animations. Lively also supports interactive formats. After importing, select the new item and pick a profile, balanced for day-to-day use, power saver for battery, or high for maximum fidelity. Make sure to test playback and adjust volume or scaling. These steps get the wallpaper active and optimized for your system. Finish by assigning the wallpaper to your single or multiple monitors via Lively's menu. You can set different wallpapers per screen. Enable pause on full screen and background pause so games and full apps retain performance. If the wallpaper stays blank, restart Lively, confirm the app has hardware acceleration and media permissions, and update your GPU driver. As a quick troubleshooting tip, disable conflicting wallpaper managers and reapply the wallpaper. That resolves most display and permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.